In today's video, we'll go over the most common symptoms of low power steering fluid, why it's important, and how to fix it. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the most obvious sign, difficulty steering. If your power steering fluid is low, you might notice your steering wheel feels stiff or requires more effort to turn, especially at lower speeds. That's because power steering relies on hydraulic pressure, and without enough fluid, the system struggles. You'll especially feel this when parking or making tight turns. If your steering feels tougher than usual, low fluid might be the culprit. Next up, strange noises. If you hear whining, groaning, or squealing sounds when turning the wheel, that's a red flag. These noises come from air bubbles or lack of lubrication in the power steering pump. Ignoring this can lead to pump damage and costly repairs. So, if your car starts sounding like it's complaining every time you turn, it's time to check that fluid. Another big sign, jerky or inconsistent steering. If your wheel feels like it's skipping or resisting at random, low fluid could be messing with the hydraulic pressure. This can make driving unpredictable and even dangerous. And don't forget about the power steering warning light. If this light pops up on your dashboard, your car is telling you something is wrong. Don't ignore it. So, how do you fix it? Simple. Open your hood and locate the power steering fluid reservoir. It usually has a cap labeled power steering or an icon of a steering wheel. Check the level using the dipstick or indicator on the reservoir. If it's low, top it off with the manufacturer recommended fluid. But remember, if your fluid is running low often, you might have a leak, so it's a good idea to have your system checked by a mechanic. And that's it. Keeping your power steering fluid at the right level is key to smooth and safe driving. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching and drive safe.